Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you all are fine and studying at home. We have done our chapter number 1, all the exercises of chapter number 1. So now we have to do that revision page, which is on page number 15 of your regarding of from your chapter number 1. It is multiple choice questions. After doing all the first chapter, you can solve that multiple choice questions by yourself. It's very easy for you. Read the question carefully and just circle the correct option. It is the revision of your chapter first. Now today we have to start our chapter number 2, natural and whole numbers. Natural and whole numbers. Today I'm going to explain you about that naturals and whole numbers. So start reading from page number 18. Natural numbers. You can read that whole paragraph by yourself. I'm just explaining you these paragraphs. It means that the natural numbers are the counting numbers that occurs throughout in the universe. People around us always use the natural numbers to count the things which they belongs to. If we have something, we normally count it with the numbers, and the numbers which we use for our counting and to uh, identify about our and to identify the correct number of our things, we can use the counting numbers, and these counting numbers are called natural numbers. You have to underline the first line of page number 19. This is these naturally occurring number are appropriately called natural numbers. So the numbers which the people around us or we use naturally in our daily routine or life, we call that numbers natural numbers. They form the basics of all mathematics. These natural numbers are the basis of our mathematics. Here is the definition. The number used for counting objects around us are called natural or counting numbers. I underlined first two lines and then these definitions because you have to learn the definition. Natural number includes the number 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So natural number starts from 1 and so on. The countings will be goes on. The set of natural numbers n. The set of natural numbers are denoted with the capital N. Natural numbers can be placed within a set. The set of natural numbers is denoted by the capital letter N. Capital letter N will be used for the set of natural numbers. The smallest number of the set N is 1. Underline that two lines, that example as well, and the smallest number of set N is 1. Underline that line as well. There is no largest number in the set N as it has endless counting number. So the smallest number is 1 and we don't know about the largest number in this set N because it is endless or it is unlimited set, and we can denote that, put that dots to end that set. So set of natural numbers denoted by n, as I already told you, 1, 2, 3, 4 and goes on. Set of even natural numbers denoted by capital E. It means that it is a set of even natural numbers and we can put the even numbers in it. Set of odd natural numbers denoted by capital O, and we can put the odd numbers in it with dots. So it means that even numbers is a proper subset of n and odd numbers is the proper subset of n natural sets. Natural numbers on a number array. That's how we represent the natural numbers on a number array in ascending order starting from 1, and we can represent it in a number line as ascending order. And here we have an arrow. It means that this arrow this counting goes on like this. There is no zero in this natural number. This is the main difference between the natural and the whole numbers. Now I am going to tell you about the whole numbers. Underline that lines which I underline that three lines which I had already underlined here. Now move on for the whole number. Set of whole numbers here. Here we have the definition of set of whole numbers. The numbers consisting of 0 and all the natural numbers are called whole number. It's very easy. The numbers which start from 0. The set of whole number is denoted by letter W. For whole number we use W, and set of whole number starts from 0 and rest of the elements are the same as in natural number. This underline that two lines and that definition as well. The smallest number of the set W is 0. Underline that line as well. And there is also no largest whole number in W because it is also an infinite set. So natural and odd numbers are the same pattern as we had already learned in for the natural numbers. So whole numbers on a number line, you can see here that as like natural numbers we represent the whole numbers on a number line, but they start with 0. But just 0 is the difference between natural and whole numbers. Some rule for natural and whole number. Here are some rules for natural and whole numbers. When two natural numbers are added, the sum is always a natural number. Here you can see very easily that sum is also, so this is called the Closure property of addition. Here I explained you about the 3 pages starting from 18, 19 and 20. Now regarding these 3 pages, these explanations, you can solve your exercise 2a, which is on page number 22. Open page number 22 now. Look at exercise 2a. Here the first question we have is fill in the blanks to make the statement true. So first part is the smallest natural number is, you can fill it from the previous definition which I told you. The smallest whole number is dash. You can fill it by yourself very easily. The smallest even number of 3 digit is. It is very easy which number has 3 digit and it is which number has 3 digit and it is of even number. So it is the smallest even number. The greatest odd number of 2 digits is 9 is dash. You have to write that whole answers by yourself because you know very well about the smallest and the greatest numbers. You had already learned about that smallest and greatest number in your grade 5 as well. The greatest 4 digit number is, you can find it very easily. The smallest 3 digit odd number is, here you have to write the smallest 3 digits odd number. Now move on for question number 2. Now you have to answer that questions as yes or no. Is every natural number a whole number? Is in whole number set there are all the natural numbers? Yes, you are right. We have all that whole numbers. Is every whole number is a natural number? Is every whole number is a natural number? If not, then name it. Which number is not the part of natural number? Or you can say it like this, that which whole number is not in the part, not a part of natural numbers. Yes, you are right. It is 0. Which whole number succeeds 9999? 9999. When we add 1 in it, we find the answer of our question, that after 900,999 we have 10,000 in our counting. Which whole number precedes thousands? It's also very easy. When we subtract 1 from 1000 or we move one step back word counting, we find that 999 is our answer. So do that, fill in the blanks question number 1 by yourself. I had explained that questions for you. See you in my next video inshallah. Allah Hafiz.